We're back at 6:14 on this Tuesday morning. Hurricane Helene caused more than $2.5 billion in property damages here in Georgia, and around 160,000 insurance claims have been paid out. That's according to Georgia Insurance and Safety Fire Commissioner John King's office. I looked at how some people are still rebuilding and how the storm affected homeowners insurance rates.
Approaching the front of the yard, a tree fell there too.
Angel Johnson has been rebuilding her Sandersville home for more than a year. A severe storm in August of 2024 caused trees to fall on her home and her husband's shop.
I'm 34 and I never experienced anything like that before.
Then Hurricane Helene came through a month later. More trees fell on the house, which caused water damage and mold. She hasn't been able to live there for more than a year. So do you know when you'll be able to move back in?
No. They told us in May. May has passed. We're in August, so I'm not sure.
John Payne is an independent insurance agent with offices in Macon and Sandersville.
The phones were absolutely blowing up.
He says insurance companies did a good job taking care of people quickly. Almost all of his clients' claims are resolved, except for a few more complex cases. During recovery, the only complaints he heard were from people with less severe damage. They had to wait a little longer for an adjuster to come out than people with significant damage.
Some of those clients did have to wait a little longer than we would have liked.
Johnson says recovery at her home has taken so long because of the amount of damage, more than $300,000 worth. She had to get a new roof, rebuild porches, fix water damage, and replace her husband's shop.
They come in and they have plans to, well, this is done. Then they go back and they see, well, hey, we got to go back and do this.
Her homeowner's insurance rates haven't gone up yet, and she hopes they won't. Payne says rates constantly fluctuate as companies decide whether to take on more risk, but overall, Georgia rates are up statewide since 2020.
Between inflation and severe weather events that we've had since 2020, it's just kind of been a perfect storm.
Johnson may have to pay more for insurance, but her biggest concern?
Now that it's a year, and I'm thinking like, well, the longer days are behind us, but it's now like anxious, like ready to get home.
In Sandersville, Connor Hendricks, 13 WMAZ News. Now, state regulators are still collecting data on insurance rates since Hurricane Helene came through. An analysis though by S&P Global finds that homeowners insurance rates in Georgia last year increased nearly 19% compared to 2023.